Hello friends, welcome back to Preschool Teaching. We are going to read a short essay or few lines about Independence Day which can be used as speech also. So let's begin. India celebrates its Independence Day on 15th August every year. India became free from British rule on 15th August 1947. This freedom was the outcome of ongoing struggle of over 100 years. Every home in the country had freedom fighters, and each and every person contributed in every possible way. There were great leaders and freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Abul Kalam Azad, Dadabhai Nauroji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lala Lajpat Rai, to name a few, who inspired and guided the people of India to fight for their freedom. Though we got the freedom from Britishers, they were successful in dividing us into two separate countries, India and Pakistan. Independence Day is a national festival and is observed as national holiday. On the eve of the Independence Day, President of India addresses the country over the television. On 15th August, the Prime Minister of India hoists the flag at Lal Killa, Red Fort, and addresses the nation. Independence Day is celebrated in schools and colleges by hoisting the national flag in the morning, followed by the national anthem. Many cultural programs are organized at school and college level. People distribute sweets and wish each other. Patriotic songs can be heard everywhere. Due to the pandemic, this year Independence Day will be celebrated virtually at most of the places, but the spirit of the celebration, zeal, and enthusiasm will be no less. Independence Day reminds us that we must respect our nation, freedom fighters, and should always work towards the betterment of our country. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day to all of you.